The most certain way to succeed is to try one more time. Hello, I'm Ken Scher with this week's motivational moment, and that was said by Thomas Edison. Now, you may be thinking, well, of course he could say that. He had so many great inventions because he was probably the most prolific inventor in history. But the fact is, things didn't always work out for him. Another quote of his is, I have not failed, I've just found 10,000 ways that things won't work. So he took every negative experience and turned it into a learning experience. And what does that mean to the job seeker? Well, that means that you have to keep going because you don't know if that next thing you do, that next phone call, the next networking conversation, the next interview you're on, that may be the one, that one more try that leads you to success, that leads you to landing your next job opportunity. I know it's hard. I've been there myself. I was out of work after 25 years with Johnson & Johnson. And I know sometimes it feels like it's just not happening. It's not going to happen. But that's when you have to push on because that's when that next call could be the one. So stay positive, keep trying, keep learning, and I know you will be successful. If I can help you at all, please reach out to me at ken@schercoaching.com. But whatever you do, I wish you the best and good luck with your job search.